Today's tip is all on beak symmetry. Hi, my name is Dave and I am a bird nerd. Welcome to my community, bird sculptors and painters. Whether you're working on something small and dainty like this decorative bluebird or something a little bigger like this partially carved gadwall duck head, you need to make sure that where the bill meets the cheek is symmetric on both sides. Now, a lot of us will use a bill template to do that. The only problem with this method is that the cutout doesn't always come off perfect from the bandsaw, and so you're trying to figure out exactly how to line this thing up. And it's exacerbated by the fact that the longest part of the bill is way out here and it doesn't really match or it doesn't really line up with your template. Now, I got this tip from a great bird carver named Gary Hansen, and what he suggests is instead of rounding off the top profile of your bill, cut it off square. Do the same thing with your bill template, and then when you go to try to line it up, you can reference the top and the front of your bill really nicely and get this junction between the bill or beak, depending on the bird, and the cheek just right. This little bit of extra wood that's left over on top, it comes right off with a knife at the very end of your process, and it doesn't really cost you anything but a second or two. It sure does help you though when you're trying to get that symmetry. If you enjoyed this tip, hit the subscribe button. Then you'll know when I upload more of the good stuff. You should probably also consider joining my community, bird sculptors and painters. There's a link in the description below this video, and that will get you all the best tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox, as well as updates on all the courses that I offer. I look forward to supporting you in your journey to total bird nerd. Thank you.